Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for a reading comprehension lesson? Let's start. Anna has a swing. The swing is in her backyard. Anna plays on the swing with Sarah. Sarah is Anna's best friend. Again, Anna has a swing. The swing is in her backyard. Anna plays on the swing with Sarah. Sarah is Anna's best friend. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's have a short quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. Who has a swing? The correct answer is Anna. Let's read this part again. Anna has a swing. Who has a swing? Anna has a swing. Where is her swing? The correct answer is backyard. Let's read this part again. The swing is in her backyard. Where is her swing? The swing is in her backyard. Who is Anna's best friend? The correct answer is Sarah. Let's read this part again. Sarah is Anna's best friend. Who is Anna's best friend? Sarah is Anna's best friend. Children, did you get all the correct answers? Good job! Children, remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lessons.